Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 like a pro. To truly dominate, begin by mastering the fundamental mechanics. Practice your weapon's recoil control extensively. Consistent accuracy is paramount for winning gunfights. Always aim for the upper chest and head to secure those critical 1.5 times damage multipliers. Furthermore, learn to effectively use tactical sprint and slide canceling to maintain momentum and surprise opponents, giving you a crucial advantage in every encounter. Elevate your gameplay by focusing on advanced movement and strategic positioning. Always pre-aim around corners and common enemy pathways. This reduces your reaction time by several milliseconds, often deciding the outcome of a gunfight. Utilize the environment to your advantage, peeking from cover to minimize your exposure. Furthermore, actively seek flanking routes to bypass enemy defenses, creating chaos and securing easy eliminations from unexpected angles. Smart positioning is key to survival and success. Crafting the perfect loadout is crucial for professional play. Choose weapons and attachments that synergize with your preferred playstyle, whether it's aggressive close-quarters combat or long-range precision. Select perks that provide tangible benefits, such as increased sprint duration or enhanced enemy detection. Remember to adjust your class setup throughout the match. If the enemy is using a lot of air support, switch to an anti-air class. Strategic loadout choices can turn the tide of any battle. Superior map awareness and effective communication are hallmarks of a professional player. Always keep an eye on your minimap. It provides vital information about enemy movements and objective status. Learn common spawn points and predict enemy rotations to cut them off or secure power positions. If playing with a team, clear and concise callouts are invaluable. Inform your teammates about enemy locations, their numbers, and any tactical equipment deployed. Teamwork and information win games.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.